and welcome back to the Bass Reviews channel. Today, we're going to uncover Proton Pass, a recent password manager developed by Proton AG. The software giant is also known for services such as Proton VPN and Proton Mail, which you can find reviews for here on our channel. Proton Pass is a feature-rich password management solution that includes unlimited passwords, multiple vaults, secure sharing options, built-in 2FA, passwordless logins, and much more. All that in beautifully designed apps for the most popular operating systems. Stay with us as we analyze Proton Pass's features, pricing, and best deals for maximum savings. For a deeper look under the hood of this password manager, visit our website at bassreviews.net to access our extended review.
After registering, you get immediate access to the platform. But before starting your password management journey, we recommend setting up your account in Proton Pass's designated account management dashboard. There, you can manage your payment method, recovery options, change the app's appearance and language, access security and privacy settings, among other options. Then you can start adding new passwords or importing existing ones. Proton Pass lets you import from popular password managers or a CSV file, and you can even request import compatibility for unsupported management solutions. Exporting data is also flexible, with unencrypted options like CSV and JSON, and a PGP encrypted JSON format, adding extra security with passphrases. Proton Pass has apps for Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and leading browsers, all featuring a beautiful design and smooth syncing. Proton Pass apps support offline access, but unfortunately, this feature is limited to accessing existing passwords, meaning you can't create new entries. Proton Pass's login forms include data fields for email, username, password, two-factor authentication keys, website notes, and optional custom fields. It also has designated forms for storing credit cards, personal notes, and identity details, giving users an all-in-one solution for secure information storage. For a more comprehensive understanding of each item, the app tracks the history of each login, noting the last autofill, last modification, number of changes, and creation date. The platform includes a built-in password generator, which can create random passwords of up to 64 characters. Alternatively, you can generate memorable passphrases with up to 10 words with capital letters, numbers, and separators. Organizing passwords with Proton Pass is an easy task. For example, you can pin your favorite logins to the top of the list and create multiple vaults to separate items. Moving credentials in bulk across vaults is also possible, but it has to be done manually as drag and drop is not supported. When saving and filling out login forms, Proton Pass's autofill and autosave feature is a lifesaver. It works on browsers, Android, and iOS, and it didn't fail us once. Sometimes, you might want to share credentials with someone. Proton Pass allows you to share entire vaults via email invitation with different permissions. Alternatively, individual passwords can be shared using a secure link, and you have complete control over view limits and link expiration. Whatever you share, access can be revoked anytime. Proton Pass might be a new player in the password management industry, but it already supports passkeys, which are available via browser extensions and mobile apps for Android and iOS. This is a big plus, especially since many established password managers still don't support passkeys. One of Proton Pass's highlights is its Hide My Email aliases, which allows you to register an account without revealing your real email address. Emails sent to the alias are forwarded to your primary email, and you can reply to the alias without giving away your actual email address. This is an excellent feature that provides convenience and privacy, which acts as a barrier against spam, phishing, and data breaches. When you no longer need an alias, you can delete it, moving it to a trash folder where it can be restored or permanently deleted. Security and transparency is Proton Pass's forte. All data is safeguarded by AES 256 end-to-end encryption, and zero-knowledge architecture ensures that your information remains private. In addition, Proton Pass is open source and independently audited, allowing users and third parties to verify its security. For people who value convenience over extra security, Proton Pass includes built-in two-factor authentication, allowing you to securely generate TOTP codes for websites with saved login details. To unlock Proton Pass, you can choose from PIN, password, or biometrics, with the option to set up an automatic lock. Additionally, its security dashboard features dark web monitoring and password health checks, while Proton Sentinel actively monitors and scales suspicious logins to cybersecurity experts. If you're looking for an affordable and reliable password manager, Proton Pass is worth checking out. Its free version has pretty much all of the bells and whistles for safe password management, including 2 vaults, up to 10 email aliases, and passkey support. Proton Pass offers a range of paid plans that come with additional benefits, such as unlimited aliases, integrated two-factor authentication, and access to password history, all at a reasonable price that includes discounts of up to 60%. If you and your family or friends want to keep your password secure, you can further reduce the monthly cost by sharing the subscription among multiple users. Proton Pass also addresses the needs of businesses with selected plans for small to large teams, featuring administrative tools, security compliance, storage, policies, and more. To ensure customer satisfaction, the company gives you a full refund with the first 30 days of purchase. Payment methods accepted include debit cards, PayPal, Bitcoin, cash, and bank transfers. Proton Pass provides resources such as a blog with news and product updates, guides, and FAQs. For customer support, you can either use the contact form on the company's website or the email submission option on its apps. When contacting Proton Pass numerous times during a week, we experienced different reply times ranging from 1 hour to 2 days. This was a free plan user, which doesn't include priority support like the paid subscriptions do. However, it's worth noting that Proton Pass offers varied alternative support channels, like subreddit or Discord channel. Along with these communities, it has a presence on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, X, Instagram, TikTok, Telegram, and WhatsApp.
It's impressive that a password manager this new already offers features that are superior to, or at least on par, with more established players in the market. Kicking off with streamlined apps and browser extensions, a smooth user experience is guaranteed across devices. Better yet, Proton Pass has seamless autofill, support for passkeys, secure sharing, built-in 2FA, and even a free version. What truly fends off the competition is the email aliases feature, which takes online security to a whole new level. Its shortcomings are minor, but still worth noting. We noticed inconsistent support response times for non-paying users, and we would like to see drag-and-drop capability and expanded offline access. Taking the positives and negatives into account, we find Proton Pass best suited to privacy-conscious users. To learn more about Proton Pass's features, pricing, and promotions, check out our review link in the description below. Thanks for staying with us. See you next time.
Thanks for watching our video review. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!